My grandmother is 65 years old, but after just 1 week of trying this natural detox recipe, her body felt as light and energetic as when she was in her 40s. Grandma's secret recipe is made entirely from simple natural ingredients, easy to prepare, yet surprisingly effective. It helps refresh the liver, cleanse the body, and restore energy in just a few days. Stay with me until the end of the video because I will reveal why this drink is often called a natural rejuvenating tonic for the liver and the whole body. Now, let's start by chopping all the ingredients into small pieces to make blending easier and smoother. And now, let's begin with the first ingredient, carrot, a wonderful source of beta-carotene and vitamin A, often called a true friend to both the liver and the skin. History tells us that as early as the 17th century, carrots were cultivated in England and even served at the royal court during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I. Legend has it that the carrot's bright orange color was considered a gift to the royal family, symbolizing vitality, youth, and good health. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, the precursor of vitamin A, which supports liver cell renewal, aids the natural detoxification process, and helps strengthen the immune system. Their abundant vitamin A content also contributes to eye health, brighter skin, and reduced fatigue, especially after days of irregular eating or lack of rest. A single glass of carrot-based juice each day can help boost your energy, refresh your complexion, and support gentle body cleansing, a perfect way to begin your journey toward natural liver care. The next ingredient is apple, often called the guardian of liver health. As the old saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. My grandmother always grew apples in her garden, not only for their naturally sweet and refreshing taste, but also for the wonderful benefits they bring to overall well-being. In today's recipe, the apple is truly the heart of the cleansing process. It helps support the liver, promotes healthy digestion, and brings a light, refreshing feeling that lasts all day long. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps bind and remove toxins, heavy metals, and excess fats from the body, allowing the liver to work more efficiently during its natural cleansing process. They also help support healthy digestion, improving nutrient absorption, and promoting gentle elimination for overall balance and comfort. Next, we'll move on to two of the brightest, most refreshing fruits in this recipe, orange and lemon. Oranges are an excellent natural source of vitamin C, which helps boost circulation, support collagen production, and promote smooth, radiant-looking skin. They also help the skin retain natural moisture, strengthen the immune system, and bring a sense of freshness and energy to your day. Have you ever tried any natural detox or body cleansing recipes before? Maybe it's a morning fruit drink, a traditional remedy passed down from your mom or grandma, or simply a small daily habit that makes you feel lighter, healthier, and more balanced. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience might inspire others to begin their own journey toward natural wellness just like you. Next comes lemon, the conductor of every detox recipe. Its citric acid and liver-activating enzymes help break down fats, flush out toxins, and support clean, healthy circulation. Lemon also helps strengthen immunity and enhance metabolism, keeping the body refreshed and balanced. Each drop of lemon juice represents purity and natural energy, gently helping your body feel renewed from within. When combined with oranges, lemon not only balances the flavor, but also enhances the body's natural cleansing process, helping the skin look brighter and the body feel more energized, creating the perfect foundation for a gentle 3-day liver refresh. The next ingredient is beetroot, often called the body's natural filter. Thanks to its rich content of betanin and iron, beetroot helps purify the blood, support red blood cell production, and improve oxygen circulation, leaving the skin rosy and the body full of vitality. In addition, its powerful antioxidants help protect and support the liver's natural renewal, promoting healthy detoxification, especially when combined with carrot, apple, orange, and lemon. Together, they create a refreshing and revitalizing blend that supports overall wellness and natural energy. The vibrant red color of beetroot is often seen as a symbol of vitality, energy, and youthfulness, making this drink not only beneficial for your health, but also uplifting from the very first glance. And last, but certainly not least, we have ginger, the spark of this recipe. Ginger contains gingerol, a powerful antioxidant with natural soothing properties that helps stimulate circulation, boost metabolism, and support healthy digestion. Thanks to these qualities, ginger helps promote gentle fat burning and enhances nutrient absorption from the other ingredients, completing this natural energizing blend beautifully. For older adults or those who often have cold hands and feet, ginger helps warm the body, soothe discomfort, and support natural immunity, especially when combined with lemon and beetroot. Together, they create a source of gentle, natural energy that helps refresh the liver and keep the body vibrant throughout the day. Once all the ingredients are ready, place them in a blender with about 700 milliliters of filtered water. Blend until smooth, then strain the mixture to obtain a fresh, silky juice. The result is a natural energy booster packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and live enzymes that help support cleansing, refresh the liver, and revitalize your body naturally each day. It's amazing, isn't it? Just a few familiar natural ingredients can help your body feel stronger, more energized, and refreshed every single day. Do you also believe in the gentle power of nature to bring balance and vitality from within? After just 3 days of regular use, you may start to notice positive changes. That heavy, sluggish feeling fades away, replaced by a sense of lightness and renewed energy. Your liver functions more efficiently. Digestion feels smoother, and you may even enjoy better appetite and deeper sleep, leaving you refreshed and recharged each morning. Store the juice in the refrigerator and enjoy it within 3 days to keep its fresh flavor and natural nutrients intact. This recipe is 100% natural, free from added sugar or chemicals, making it safe and gentle for all ages, especially for middle-aged and older adults. Think of it as a simple, natural body refresh, helping you regain a sense of lightness, vitality, and youthful energy in just a few short days. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.